B-L-U-E blue,
like the sky's bright hue.
G-R-E-N green,
The grass so clean. Y-E-L-L-O-W yellow, a happy little fellow.
P-I-N-K
Pinky flowers I think,
O-R-A-N-G-E orange,
juicy and strange.
P-U-R-P-L-E purple,
Like a grape's little circle.
B-R-O-W-N brown,
Like a teddy soft gown.
B-L-A-C-K black,
Night is coming back.
W-H-I-T-E white,
Like the stars so bright. 10 bright colors, we spell them all. Learning is fun for big and small. Give a clap and shout,
hooray!
We'll paint the world another day.